Hi, I'm here to teach you a little bit about harbors. So, harbors are basically bodies of water that ships can come in on. So, let's look at a website here. It says a harbor is a body of water where ships, boats, and barges can seek shelter from stormy weather or else are stored for future use. So harbors don't have to be big. They can be very shallow, actually. And there are harbors can actually be located in forges, coves, and lagoons. They can also be by the coastline, and they can also occur along lake shores and in estuaries where rivers empty into larger bodies of water. So harbors can be located anywhere there. And then there can also be different types of harbors. So harbors fall into two basic groups. They fall into natural harbors and artificial harbors. So natural harbors are geological features created by landscape. So it's not man-made. A natural harbor can be quite large or just small enough to fit a few ships sheltering from a storm. San Francisco Bay in California is a well-known example of a natural harbor. Then artificial harbors are created through the use of piers, jetties, and other man-made features, and they may also be dredged to allow passage for larger ships. So it might be easier for larger ships in artificial harbors than in natural harbors because they can be smaller. A larger harbor is often combined with a port, a faculty which allows ships to load and unload cargo. So there can also be ports with harbors. All of these websites pretty much cover the same thing. They all of them cover natural and artificial. Cover natural right here. They also cover artificial. So lots of these are nice sites to go look at because they give you a definition basically of what a harbor is, and then they tell you a little bit about the different kinds. One last thing. Artificial harbors are constructed, as I said earlier. Also breakwaters, seawalls, or jetties, or otherwise they could have been constructed by dredging, and these require maintenance by further periodic dredging. So those are things that artificial harbors have. So the difference between an artificial and a natural harbor is one's man-made and one is not. So then over here, I have a picture of the Lake Michigan, one of the Lake Michigan ports. So there's a picture of that. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for learning about harbors. Bye.